In this video I will show you how to quickly shut down your Windows 10 or 11 PC using Windows shortcuts. So let's look how to set it up. I am using Windows 10 but it works on your Windows 11 PC as well. For this, right click on empty area on the desktop. Choose New and then Shortcut. Under the location type Shutdown /S/F/T0. You can see this in the screen as well. In this command /S specifies shutdown. /F specifies forces running application to close. /T0 means sets the time delay to 0 seconds. This means shutdown immediately. After that, click on Next. Give the relevant name like Quick Shutdown and then click on Finish. You can see shortcut has been created on the desktop. Now let's change the icon of the shortcut. For this, right click on Shortcut and then select Properties. Click on Change Icon button. If you get this pop-up, click on OK. Here select Shutdown like red power button. Then click on OK button. Click on Apply and then OK button. You can see icon of the shortcut has been changed. Now when you double click on this shortcut, the computer gets shut down immediately. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.